can't just chase this guy down the street.
Christmas?
Yeah, get it up, yeah.
Merry Christmas. Welcome to the RUÜE Boys Christmas special.
Today we're building Christmas reindeers, decorating them, and getting into the spirit of Christmas.
Bet you've never seen fucking 4 techno DJs build Christmas shit before.
Take this toxic masculinity.
In the instructions it says Coke, cookie, and 1 bag.
We're the Australian sidemen if they had a crippling drug addiction.
Hello? Mrs. Claus? Oh, yeah, I'm still home. I got the boys over there. You want to do a little YouTube video with us? Oh, you're going to come over later on? Oh, okay, see how it is.
I've got a joke. What do Josh's girls and Santa
Oh, dude, this is enough of these jokes.
I got a good one. What do Josh's girls and Santa have in common? They only come once a year.
No, I'm going to pull some names out of the hat. I'm going to split it up into 2 teams.
And we have to create the most beautiful Christmas reindeer.
I reckon the losing person has to go up to a random house at the other team's choice, knock on the door with the Christmas hats on, sing a Christmas carol,
And give them the shitty
dinner.
Oh, now I got Andy.
This is one of the first YouTube videos I ever did. I made gingerbread houses with Tom when I was...
That was for my YouTube channel as well.
I'm sort of having flashbacks to it.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Hang on, I have an idea. You see how there's a little hole here?
Yeah, see?
You need to put some more icing.
Oh no! Okay, now your turn.
No. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
We'll get copyrighted, man. Start singing our own song. My Mr. Dreamer.
You're pretty good at it. Josh is good at releasing his eggs into the world.
That's the first egg Josh hasn't fertilized in a while. Should we down?
Should we, we just fucking opened it, bro. I haven't even opened one. Oh, let's have beers with Ben Gerrans. I'm gonna drink until I fucking can't stand up.
Good thing we don't have to stand up, we're sitting down.
I love how you're like, I don't have a car at the moment, it's like broke down on the way back from bar, and instead of like getting it fixed instantly, you're like, I can kind of drink wherever I go right now, and it's not.
Yeah, who does Ben feel like right now?
That's a lot like you, because you haven't even got your fucking license, you dog.
Wait, how old are you? What, 22, and you're still on your fucking L's?
When your girlfriend goes, oh Andy, I'd so love to go for a date, you go, oh mummy, can you drop me to fucking Ella's house? We have to say cheers.
Let's do a Christmas cheers for a healthy competition and having us all back together in one piece at a special time this year. If you can run your sleigh 1 mile down the slopes, how much pancake mix does it take to lead down your chimney?
Oh no, I'm gonna look like a pussy. Broke.
$5 making Christmas trees with the boys.
7 o'clock, self-loathing.
I can't do it very well.
Did someone say Christmas?
Fuck. Passed out already, boy. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Everywhere you go, take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest.
That's what they're meant to be like.
No, it's not, bro.
Bit, bro. Look at the photo.
You are right.
Yeah, it's because because you're illiterate, because you're not fucking any trade sense at all.
Literally spell illiterate.
I can't spell illiterate.
Dolls that'll talk and we'll go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go,
When you think of RUÜE Christmases, it's chaotic,
When you think of strength, when you think of integrity, when you think of all the qualities that you hold dear, loyalty, strength, integrity,
trusting,
looks, aesthetics,
personality.
you think of this.
So fucking random.
We'll fix it up. Post on a poll on the RUÜE Boys Instagram.
After 15 minutes, we'll sing 3 or 4 beers each, and then we'll decide who has
to go to the Christmas carols.
Coming in number 1 at 55% to 45. Number 1, and that's Josh and Benny's. What is that? It's not even a fucking reindeer, bro.
You guys also get to describe what Christmas carol we sing.
We've come to a decision. Ready? You want to sing it?
Lick my, suck on my cock.
What if we open the door and there's like kids there?
You know what, like, at least ours isn't like a fucking big piece of shit. So we can go and give something nice and presentable, you know?
So-
unlike the other boy.
See? That's the spirit.
Merry Christmas. We should go sing it to him.
Yeah,
we should.
We've done a
got
challenge
something to offer
tonight.
to you.
Oh yeah.
And
Okay.
so we're offering if we could sing to you and your family a Christmas carol.
Mate, I would love.
Love it.
Yeah, doesn't count. Sorry, bro, it doesn't count.
Why does it not count?
You need to go to a random fucking house, bro.
I just chased this guy down the street.
I got
Sorry
a
for
cat.
chasing your car down. That's probably a bit weird. Wasn't it?
That last one didn't count because we already found the guy, we already talked to him, so the boys are actually going to go up to a random house and do it.
They suck. Hey,
We were wondering if we could sing you a Christmas carol to spread some Christmas cheer. Sure. Yeah? 1, 2, 3.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart. The very next day you gave it away. This year you sent me to tears. I give it to someone special.
We hope you have a Merry Christmas.
Would you like our sitting down reindeer? Very Christmas present.
You guys can keep it.
Are you sure?
You sure?
We're good, thanks.
Okay, no problem. Well,
Thank
have a
you.
Merry Christmas.
Fuck, bro.
Oh my god. Dude, the mum came down, looked through the glass, saw us and went,
She's like,
got her son to come down. So that concludes this half of Christmas special. Tomorrow we're doing You Honk, We Drink. Although we might have lost the actual challenge on the votes, I think we won the hearts of 2 very lucky families.
I still think we won tonight.
We did. Well done.
Well done. Alright boys, we're back for part 2 of the fucking RUÜE Boys Chrissy special. We're fucking doing the old You Honk, We Drink. Oh, is it illegal to drink out in public like this?
100%.
Oh dude, we're gonna get fucking drunk!
This is the quickest way to polish a case if you ever want to get fucked up with your friends. Buy a fresh case of beer.
These are some rules. This is what we did last time. If we get a bus to honk, we have to scull a full beer. If we get a taxi to honk, you have to scull half your beer. And if you get 3 cars in a row to honk, you have to scull your beer.
Hey! Merry Christmas!
Oh! 2 in a row!
Film some of the cars as well.
That's 5! That's 5! That's a new fucking record! We're gonna have to scull 2 beers each.
We gotta get this come on. 11! Yeah! We're following this up from the bake-off that we did yesterday. I'm so fucking hungover. How do we keep this up,
We
bro?
smashed a 6-pack in about 5 seconds.
You need to hide the sign for a second, man.
Last time Ben and I did this, it was nowhere near as hectic as it is now.
It's because
Stop drinking.
We've all got the fucking Santa hats on.
Merry Christmas!
Take it! Yeah!
Oh, get the bus!
We don't stop until the case is done.
Yeah. I cut the Ben throwing up in like 5 minutes. Wait. Willie, you get yourself a beer.
Oh, fine. If I have to.
Sup, bitches.
Skull it. No.
I can't skull, bro.
Come on.
No, I can't skull. Tom, just put it in fast pace and make it look really, really quick. All right.
Take your time.
20 minutes now, we only have 6 beers left. God, it's only like... My watch actually doesn't tell the time, it doesn't work. It's 7 o'clock, and Jack and I have to play a gig at 2 a.m. Come on! Come on! Come on!
Yeah, he did it!
Oh.
No, he did it!
Yeah, he did do it!
He did do it!
Yeah, boys.
What have you got? See you at the bottom. All the boys are fucking... Boys are being a bit fucking weak. Look at this cunt.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh!
Do it again, I like that.
This is what you call fucking weak. We've only had 5.
Oh my god, Benny!
Andy! Andy!
Why are these so big? I cannot! The plane is not facing them! It's this way!
You right, Willie?
Mate, I just don't like filming that. Oh, look at that.
I'm not even drunk yet, my stomach just can't handle all this shit. Stop it going! Stop it going!
Please! Please!
Oh, is it illegal to drink out in public like this?
100%.
Honk! Honk! Come on!
He gave us a thumbs up. He gave us a little...
We put up a poll last night on fucking Benny's story asking what questions should the RUÜE boys answer?
What age did you lose your virginity? 7.
What?
What age?
You lost your virginity at 7 years old?
No, 7 was the amount of cards.
Alright, so
this 18. 19.
16th birthday, baby.
Oh, fuck, sorry. Big deck on my toe, no.
Would you rather scream every time you shit or cry every time you come?
I fucking scream every time I shit anyway. Like, ah!
And Josh cries every time he comes. Why does Jack always look like he wants to kill someone?
Maybe that's just my face, bro.
I need it. Longest bender. 2.5 months with Josh.
Europe was the big bender. I think I saw about 40 sunrises out of about 42 days. How many singlets do the McMillan twins own? Just 2. I just don't ever wash them.
Wildest sex story, Josh?
When he lost his virginity about a foot away from me. I'll give it 10 seconds. I was 18, she was 24, we were in Fiji. Slept in her room, Jack came in, lost my virginity next to him.
While he was fucking another
While
girl.
I was fucking another girl. And then, once I finished, I had to get up and leave because I had gastro. Went outside the door, shat and threw up everywhere outside her room.
Oh my god.
Went back, had a shower, came back and had sex again.
I did not know that. That's fucked up, bro. What the fuck?
This has been the Christmas challenge. We're all sober now. Subscribe to RUÜE boys. If you want to see more of this
24
stuff.
beers, 24 beers down the hatch.
In 24 minutes.
We fucking love you guys. Thanks for a beautiful year on RUÜE boys.
More to
We've got
come
many
next
to
year.
come. Every single Thursday, 6 PM. You know where to find us.
Yeah.
RUÜE boys.
We're coming for ya.
Christmas special.
Merry
Fucking Christmas.
RUÜE, you canoe 1 mile.